Hello and welcome to the 365 Project.
What's happening, everybody? It's day 224 of the 365 Project. Sunday morning, and I'm still in a position where I don't think I'm going to be able to get a lot of steps in today. My leg doesn't really seem to have responded well to rest, so, well, not as quickly as I was hoping it was going to be anyway. Didn't really get out at all yesterday, which isn't good if can be avoided, so do want to go out to the shops today downtown just to get a few bits and bobs in whilst the shops are open. So yeah, we're going to do that. I think just maybe have a little quick walk about if we can, just to get some kind of steppage in, and then back in time for the football, which is Liverpool's turn today. So yeah, see what the lads are all about this season and all that good stuff. No weekend warriors for me, so nothing really to report there. Didn't get any invites either, which, well, maybe no one's doing it this weekend. Maybe everyone's having a weekend off, who's to say. So I'm going to go in the shower though, because literally had possibly the worst night's sleep of the year. Last night was just super warm. I literally couldn't escape the heat, so I feel like I've been asleep for 2 minutes, which isn't very good. So in the shower, and then we'll go to town, and then we'll sort the footy out. We all know where we are here. Eastern Spice. There's the town clock. There's Aldi and whatnot. And here's me. Ah, yes. So we've made it to the town, and this is just a demonstration of the three sort of key ingredients that you're going to need to succeed if you want to follow my blueprint and, make positive changes to your lifestyle and things like that. And the first lesson is effective time management. Now, we all know this. We've kind of been drilling this along the 365 Project, videos and whatnot, but it is true. It's effective time management. If you can effectively manage your time, you can effectively see results, This is why I'm using my time before 1:30 when the football starts, so I've got an hour and 15 minutes here. So I'm going to go and get some prepping done for food stuffs for next week. I'm going to go to the shop and get some stuff I need for that, and see if I can get a little bit of steps in, because I am still feeling it a bit in my leg. You've got to be able to listen to your body and know when and when you can't sort of make an impact. And today I'm just not quite there. It started yesterday, it's carried on into today. Didn't really get out at all yesterday, so today it's why I'm choosing to be effective time management, and I'm going to go and do what I need to do now before I'm going to be busy later on. So there's one of the golden rules: effective time management. If you can conquer that, if you can crack it to a point where you're able to get everything you need to do fit into your day, nothing's kind of sliding and you're not kind of losing stuff, then you're there. You're on the right tracks. So bear that in mind, people. Effective time management. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to go and be effective with my time, and I'm going to go and hit the town up. So we're back in from going to get some supplies, some vital supplies. Oof, in my word, it's super cloudy and whatnot over there, but the heat, it is warm. The town's still full of ignorant people, like. The type of people where you'll let them past, or you'll hold a door open for them and they don't even acknowledge you exist. And stuff like that, just ignorant people. But effective time management has dictated that we're back in the house before 1:30, which is when the football starts. The second of the effective points is food and water preparation. So I've just been and got some items from the shop there, which I now know will see me through the next working week. And it's all about preparing it, making sure that you're prepared. Each day, I've got a plan, so I'm going to eat this, I'm going to eat this, I'm going to eat this. If you're counting the calories like I am, then you can obviously make sure that you're getting your calories logged and things like that. Water is, again, super, super important. 2 litres a day for me. You can obviously have your own limits and whatnot, but as long as you're getting that in, you ain't going to go far wrong. So We've been effective with our time management, making sure that we can fit in things that we need to do, important things. 2, preparation for food and drink, absolutely critical. If you haven't got what you need in the house, you're just going to go to the shop and buy crisps or whatever, or you're just going to binge on stuff, you know. And it's a long kind of term process. It's not just going to be, oh, I've done something for one day and then that's it. You've got to stick at it. So, you know, we can tick number 1 and number 2 off the list because we've done them. So we are 2/3 of the way there. 2/3 of the way there. Let's check on the steps for today. The team step check. And see what we're on. 3,565. I think that's more than I did yesterday. Little targets like that as well. If you know you've done, say, 5,000 yesterday and you're on 6,000 today, then you've outperformed yourself. So give yourself a pat on the back, big thumbs up, that kind of thing. I can't get over how warm it is, like. I think I need a drink of water, you know what I'm saying? This leads nicely into the final sort of point of what I've been trying to drill home today, and that is willingness, the want, the desire to want to make this change a reality. You know what I mean? You've got to keep that kind of frame of mind and momentum locked in position, because once you've got it, there's no one stopping you, you know what I mean? Kind of use me as an example of that, if you try to make sense of it all. In the amount of time I've been doing this, I've had to make some changes, had to do some things, sacrifices, you know, but ultimately it was because of the end goal. And you've just got to want it. You've just really got to want it and sort of train your mind to get into that sort of way of thinking. It's easy to do. It's easier than you think. If you follow the 3 sort of keys to success, then you'll start to see sensational results, you know what I mean? I've seen absolutely sensational results, and still got a little bit left to go this year, so it'd be interesting to see where we finish from now to what it looks like at the end of the year, because, well, winter's coming, in it. Aye, is it? But that's the 3rd sort of key to success. Be right mentally, and once you've achieved those 3 things, it'll become a total body transformation, body and mind. You know, you become a different person, and you obviously, you know, get to a point where enough's enough, or whatever. It might be medical, might be whatever kind of reasons you have. Everybody's got their own reasons, but the end result's still the same. Get on board, people. Spread the message. Get on board the train. Done. And dusted. Whew. Take these headphones off. Tune's banging as well. Whew. So there you go. Get this off as well. Yeah, we used some effective time management to carefully prepare and plan to go out and take advantage of an hour's worth of downtime from the football, which has been awesome, by the way. Big fan of the football, people. Big fan of the results of today and the Premier League table. 7-9, 7-8. So, well, marked improvement from yesterday. So having that target, that low target from yesterday, to like make sure, just test the knee just to make sure that it isn't, you know, a big problem, and have went out to go just sort of around the shop, around the Bourton kind of bit, and come back round, and it isn't giving me sort of any nagging issues. So word of the day, routine. Should be back into some kind of routine again, or some kind of regular sort of walking kind of schedule as of tomorrow. And it is weigh day tomorrow, which seems like more and more weeks I'm doing the old hand gesture, but I don't know. From having that loss not so long ago when I was expecting a gain, I don't know if it's going to be the opposite of what I expect is going to happen, so I don't know what to expect. But that's tomorrow, I suppose. But for today, we are done. We are finished. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, everybody. Stay active. Above all else, keep it real.
Sunday, the 12th of August 2018, day 224 of the 365 project. And it's been a Sunday, a lazy Sunday. In recap, the highlight reel showing our images from our venture out today. We ended up going to get some supplies in for work tomorrow because we're back in the old work routine, but we're also back in the football routine as well. Been involved in getting involved in watching the matches today, which has been good. Seeing some of the lads, that kind of thing, and then yeah, going out towards the end of the evening there just to try and boost the step count up as it has took a hit recently due to being a bit laid up. So we'll roll into Monday with the weigh day, seeing what we're going to have out of that. It's going to be a close call. I'm not sure which way it's going to go, to be honest.